Hi everyone. Getting ready for the full moon ritual and crazy. So this is the right time for the message about the full moon for you. Eight of Pentacles, and that was reversed. I don't take reversals, but occasionally when they come, I take them. And that blockage, what you had in your finances, in your materialistic world, it seems like it dissolves. So full moon now, and after full moon it starts to shrink, and as it shrinks, your obstacles start to dissolve, disappear, shrink, gone, bye-bye, see you later, or never ever. This is the good time today, tonight, when the full moon is, to reflect, to see where you are, how far you've come, and in which direction you go forward. And there you go. The word. You creating a word with your thoughts, and with those thoughts who was originated from your heart, right? And your perseverance gonna take you further. Definitely. What's your passion is, what deep inside you, your wants, it's forcing you to go forward. It's gonna lead you, it's gonna show you the way. I need the Hermit. It's like a kind of Hermit energy. These three cards right now are the Hermit energy. And look, the Hangman there. Where's the Hermit? Come on, we need to reflect. We just need to surrender for this beautiful full moon, and let things go. It's like full. There's nothing more can get into this. And then when it's at its peak, just release everything. Release with the full moon, and let it go, and let the universe sort it out. Strength. You've got the strength. Let's do it.